Hello guys, welcome to another trade recap. Today we got some longs today. This is just a markup for the double break, but this was the trade that I took today, and it was pretty much based on the turn on overnight in New York PWAP to target the longs over here. I know that I didn't like hold the trade all the way up. I didn't want it to hold like pretty much like 2 hours to hit the TP, and especially on a Monday. Another thing that I took in consideration for taking the profits here is that recently we have been having a lot of big ranges as an overall, and I've been noticing that once we have like this move up or lower, we just pretty much chop, or if we're gonna continue lower or higher, we're gonna do it in a very grindy way, you know what I mean? So it's gonna take a long time. So I just had to take my profits here. And also especially because NQ was already reaching open range high and also the IVA high over here. So I was like, you know what? Let me just take my profits over here. And also the other thing I was watching was the price tried to push here, tried to push here, tried to push here, and once you push up again here, I was like, okay, let me take my profits here. I was in this trade long enough, and I don't want to just get stuck on this trade for the afternoon. There's two more profits and run. It's just Monday, it's start of the week, and also I mean as an overall, I'm pretty happy with the trade. I one in longs because let me go ahead and just go over here to the 50 minute. So this is what I was watching in the 15 minutes. So when I was looking for longs, the price looked like this. So we can see that we push higher since Asia and London over here, and then we drop. And once we had the reaction to the 15 minute, I was like, okay, this seems like a higher low over here. Maybe we can just push higher past the zone. And I really was mindful about this. Now, once I saw price pre-market, that price was pretty much around here. I was like, okay, so we are back into this range that was formed since last week. So I'm just gonna be mindful of that, that we are back into this range. And I just wanted to be, I don't want to say careful, but I just wanted to be really sure that I wanted to take a trade on the longs or the shorts today. And yeah, I mean, the longs may just say more sense to me than the double break. This is just a markup. This is one of the ideas that we have for the morning for the double break. But I just decided to do not take the double break because I mean, based on the conviction that I got for longs, I mean, we have full alignment for longs. Price was above pretty much all value areas. We have a above value area high over here, and even with turn, we have the turn higher on the point of control. Here we have fair value gap or whatever. Um, we rejected point of control, pushing higher. Then we have the full B-up alignment. The B-up has never reached open range low, like never passed the X point, and also the B-up never crossed over. So that was just really good for longs in my opinion. So I waited. I know this is the first closure about B-up over here. Actually, we had the 2 minute, closure on this candle over here. But I just wanted to wait, because we have this big range over here. If I take the long over here, my stop probably needs to be all the way over here. And once I saw that we turn here, create a higher low over here, and then we turn, I would like bet I have more structure to take my follow my ID on long, so I can just play my stop like around here. Because I mean, if we're gonna smoke open range low, and then we're gonna smoke previous edge low, I can ensure I don't want to be long anymore. So my stop it's right there, and I was pretty much targeting open range high. But like I mentioned before, we have been like ranging a lot, and also it's Monday and stuff. So I was kind of like already preparing myself that we're gonna be kind of like doing this, you know. So that's why I also just decided to take the trade over here. I took this trade on my funded. Finally, I was able to take my. Finally, I was able to trade my funds. So I'm pretty happy with this trade. Again, a small green for the week. Pretty happy with my patience here. Now entering here, waiting for better structure, which is, in my opinion, it's on this close over here where I took the long. And yeah, guys, I mean that's pretty much it. I didn't trade anything else on the afternoon. Like you can see, we can just trade me pretty much like drifted higher and higher and higher, and pretty much we just sat around this high that we took over here on ES, and we're pretty much just sitting there. Asia just open. And actually, this is the second time, like the fourth time that I actually record this because the final version of this, when I was putting on the editing software, it has no audio. So apparently, I recorded this shit before with no audio. So I will check that and suppose now what I'm seeing over here it should have audio now, so it should be good. But yeah, guys, I mean this was the trade for today. Really happy with it. This week we have short week, so let's just keep it tight, keep it strict, keep it good trading for the rest of the 3 days that we have left. And yeah, guys, I will see you guys tomorrow. Take care.